IJ software.
Good evening, everyone. So let's talk about how to edit your first video using Kdenlive video editor. So if you don't have yet the software installed in your computer, so you can download them. So you can visit this website and hit this button to download a file. In my previous tutorial, there is a step-by-step process on how to install the software. Okay, so before we proceed to the video editor, so let's talk about where can you get free videos and free audio file that can be included in your video project. So here is the first website. So you can download a free video clip here. You don't need to pay for this one. And we have here the audio library that you can include in your video. So we have free music and we have here the sound effects. So you can download them. So this is a free background music and sound effects made by the YouTube. Alright, so let's add a file in your video editor. Okay, so how to add a file? So you can just drag them one by one, or you can highlight all the files and drag them. So I just want to drag and drop one by one. So here, so all my video clips are in sequence already. So you can drag the video down here. So this will be our first sequence. My next sequence will be this one, followed by the number 2, and the last one is the sequence number 3. Okay, so you can also add a music. So will be the audio file to be included in our video. So this is our background music. Okay, so you can drag them. Where do you want to start the music? So I just want to start it here, aligned with my first clip. So this one. So our background music is will start here at our first video clip.
IJ software.
Alright, your project is ready to upload to YouTube channels and Facebook accounts.